Alright guys, today I want to show you a very interesting and useful AI tool that everyone should find helpful. This AI tool can be used for multiple things. Mainly it is used for voice, that's text to speech, but right now it can generate both music for you and it can also clone your own original voice and it can generate a new voice with your prompts. So today I'm going to show you how it works. So the name of this wonderful AI tool is Minimax Audio, and if you've known about Minimax Audio before, you shouldn't click off because their latest model now has a lot of features that will interest you so much, and I want you to see this. So this is the interface. If you've not been here before, just click on this task bar here, and this is their wonderful tools. They have voice library, text to speech, music, voice design, and the rest. Guys, is really okay, and it gives you 10,000 credits every single month. So I want us to try their text to speech feature. So now I've pasted in my prompt. I said, "Hi, I'm Dandec's brother. Let me tell you a secret. November 4th is his birthday. Please celebrate him, please." Let's see how he's gonna handle this. Just click on this radiant gear here, and this is where you're going to be choosing the wonderful realistic voices they have. So in the search bar here, I typed something like boy. So once you like the voice, just click on this icon here. Wait, let me show you this icon down here to choose the voice. So once everything is ready, just click on this generate icon. So once you've clicked on it, it's going to generate the voice for you. So let's see how he's gonna handle this.
Hi, I'm Dandec's brother. Let me tell you a secret. November 4th is his birthday.
Can
Please
you
celebrate
see this,
him,
guys? This is really
please.
amazing. I really love this. So just click on this icon here. This is where your histories are. So when you click on it, just click this little dot here to download it. Now it is straight into your device. Guys, really, I love this tool so much. I've been using it for quite a long time now. So the next feature I want us to try out is their music feature. Guys, this one is the one I've been wanting to see, to see how it really works. That's because I've never is as you can see here is a new feature, so I haven't tried it yet. So I just want us to try it out right now, guys. Okay, let's go. So just click on music and they will take you straight into the music. Oh gosh, I can't wait to see this. So now I'm in the music interface right now. So what am I going to do? I'll just write in the inspiration. But there's one thing I will notice: if you add here that says lyrics, sometimes it may not actually work. When I tested it, it didn't work out for me. So just write in your inspiration here to give you the lyrics. So guys, the lyrics are very sweet, guys. It's very, very sweet. So just paste in your inspiration here. So once you've written your inspiration, just wait for the AI to do this magic. Like, I really love this. I don't even know if this is better than Suno AI. Maybe I would like you to leave that in the comment section. So let's know. For me, I just wrote song for teaching about God, the creator of all mankind. Guys, let's see what this AI is gonna do. Click on this create here. It takes only 300 credits out of the 10,000 credits they gives to you. So once everything is okay, just wait for it to generate. So this is one of the ones I created with this tool. So I want us to listen to it to see that it is what it is.
Let's gather.
Wow, this is really amazing. I love it. So just click on this download icon here to download it straight to your device. No, I don't think this one have any copyright issues. So just create your music and use them. Now this one is also done. So just click on it. Let's see.
From silent dust to vibrant form, you calm the chaos, quell the storm, a tap.
Oh my god, can you see this? Like, I really love this so much. Guys, this is really amazing. I like, oh god. This is good. This is the best to be free. Just click here to download it straight to your device. No worries, no wahala for Nigerians. We don't need wahala. So just click on it to download it. I don't think, like I just said before, I don't think this AI tool has any copyright issues right now. So make sure you use this tool right now that it is still free and copyright free, guys. So the next thing I want us to try out is their voice design feature. This thing, ElevenLabs have these too, but I don't know if it is free in ElevenLabs. I would find out and I will give you feedback. So just click on the voice design. When you click on it, it will take you to this fresh interface. Wow, the interface of this tool is very beautiful. I feel like sleeping here. So I'll just type in here what I want. I will just say, I just type something like a Nigerian man tone, folktale storytelling tone. So if you're a folktale storyteller here, this is the tool you should be using. And though it has limits, that's the 1000 credit, it may not be enough for you as a free user. If you join my Telegram community, I'm gonna show you how to get it unlimited for free without you paying any single dime. So I want us to wait now to see if this tool is gonna be incredible for us to use. So let's wait a bit. It's gonna load, guys. I'm so happy for this. I'm so happy. Not like I'm gonna use it because I use my voice to record my videos, but if you don't, if you rely on AI tools for your, AI voice generators for your voiceovers, then this is the tool you should use. Oh guys, can you see this? This is really amazing. I can't imagine this. Wow. Oh, I love it so much. Let me see the next one. Guys, oh gosh. Well, we really tried though. He really tried. So if you're a folktale storyteller here, make sure you use this tool. So to save your voice, just select the one you like most. I like this last one, so click on it and save voice. Select voice, then add the name. For me, I'll type Emeka here. So once you've typed it, you select the gender male for me because it is a male voice, and choose English. So once you've chosen it, just click on save voice and you can find it in your voice library. To find your voice library, just click here and then click on this voice library here. Okay, yeah, this is it. So the next thing I want us to try out right now, okay, look at it here. I created this one for myself. That was the voice I use whenever I am having issues with my voice, so I use it. This one is a cloned voice, so I want to show you how to clone your voice if you can't record sometimes. I use it most of these times when I'm having issues with my voice. So when you click on instant clone, it will take you to, and as you can see, my queries is enough. So this is how we are going to be doing this. You can record your audio directly here or add a file, but I recommend you record your audio. So when you click on it, it's gonna bring us something like this. It's going to count from 3 to 0, then you start recording. Now it's still on processing, so I will just click it again. Okay, so allow it to access your microphone. Now just click on this red dot here and record whatever you want to say. Anything. It doesn't have to be sensible, just anything that comes into your mind, so it can capture your voice. So once you've done that, I recommend you do this twice so that it's going to capture your voice clearly. So now it has even loaded, which if you're adding the file from your phone, most of the times it takes longer than when you record it. So I'm going to record the second audio so that it's going to capture my voice clearly, just like I said. So guys, I want to show you how to do this because it really helped me a lot. If you're like me, if you record just like me, it's going to help you. So once your clip is up to 10 seconds, you're good to go. So just make sure this remove background here is on. Wait, let me show you. So once it's on, just scroll down and agree to this, and make sure it is in English language. Now click on generate. My own is remaining only one because I've done two already. So let's see what it's gonna generate for our man. I really love this tool so much. Like, I've been using it for a quite long time now. So let's see what it's gonna generate. Okay, please, you won't hear the sound yet because I'm having issues with my sounds right now. I'm going to show you the result because I'm going to generate something with it, so you're going to hear what it sounds like, guys. Okay, let's go. So once everything is ready, just click on this confirm icon. So we're gonna save a voice. Now name it whatever you want to name it. Mine, I will say Dandec too because I already have Dandec in my voice libraries. Now choose the gender and now click. Okay, you can type in any description you want. I'll just say, this is yours, Dandec. Hey guys, this is very sweet. I really love it. So just click on save voice and it is straight into your voice library. You don't need to struggle again for you to find it. Just click here and you can see it. Now I want us to try the sound. That's to generate something with this voice I just created right now, and I'll show you how it sounds, if it really sounds like my voice or not. So now I've typed what I want to generate. Now just click here to add in the voice. Now click on generate and it's gonna generate the voice for you. Let's see.
Thank you, family, for supporting my journey to 70 subscribers on YouTube, and I appreciate every like, every comment, every share and every view. I thank you so much. I would keep on providing you with insightful content. Bye.
Can you see this, guys? I don't know. I feel like crying. I don't know if it really sounds like my voice, so make sure you download it. I don't know if it sounds like my voice, just like I said. If it sounds, you guys watching this video right now, I want you to leave it in the comment section. If it sounds like my voice, if AI can really, I feel like crying. Don't worry, I cannot cry. I'm a big boy. So once everything is done, I'll just download it and that's done. If you've watched my video to this point and you have not given my video thumbs up right now, we're quarreling. Giving my video thumbs up really helps me to know that I am helping people out, and it helps the algorithm to push it to new people who wants it. And if you want more tutorials like this, then be sure to subscribe because I drop insightful tutorials for you that will help you scale up in this faceless YouTube journey. So be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one.